Alright, so we're gonna do a cool math science experiment. It's called a Mobius Strip. So, I have 3 strips right here. There's no illusions, there's no trick, it's just pretty cool. So, what we're talking about is 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, and 4 dimensions. Okay? So if I take this, right, and I'm going to, I have 2 sides, an inner side and an outer side. I'm going to connect them. I have an inner side and an outer side, correct? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to put a line on the outside, showing that this is one side.
Are you going to trick us?
Nope, there's no trick. Now, I'm going to cut this in half. What do you think is going to happen when I cut this in half?
It'll be 2 pieces.
2 separate pieces, correct? I agree with you, but just to show you, and you were right. We just kind of doubled it, right? Perfect, so we're going to leave that off to the side. Now we're going to do another one, okay? So we're going to take it, we have 2 sides, we all agree. All right. We are going to put a full twist in it. Okay? All right. So we're going to do the same thing. Now you can tell we have a twist in it, right? All right. Same thing.
So that's 2 sides, so I'm going to put a line on the outside, and then we're going to cut it.
What's going to happen when I cut this in half?
There's going to be 2 twists.
2 twists. 2 separate pieces with twists in it?
Yes.
2 separate pieces with twists in it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's nothing crazy, it's because we put a twist in it.
Yeah.
Now, this one, 2 sides, correct?
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that it's only one side.
Okay.
This is called a Mobius strip.
Okay.
A Mobius strip is a shape of infinity. It just keeps going, okay? It's how they say time travel or 4th dimension, okay? And it's even on the Marvel's Endgame, and that's how Tony Stark figured out how to go back in time. He made a Mobius strip. So we're going to take this, we're going to do a half a loop, and I'm going to tape it just like I did all the other ones. Now, we said before that each one had 2 sides, an inside and an outside, right? And when we cut them, they became 2 separate pieces, even though this one's connected. Now, what I'm saying is, there is no 2 sides. This is strictly one side and nothing else.
And what I'm doing, check this out. So we're going to do it before, we're going to do a line. And we're going to cut it. And we're going to do a line.
But watch this. This line is going to keep going. I have not touched the other end. All the other times I was going until I touched the other end. This is still going. Finally, I've come to my other end. Now, to show you, so on these, one side had the black marker and the other one didn't. I told you this is one side. Look at this. The line is on both sides because there's only one side. It's not 2 sides. You have not touched a side that doesn't have the line.
I haven't wet my finger off.
Right, both sides have the line. Let's cut it. If I'm right, or science is right, the Mobius strip, when I cut this in half, what's going to happen? I'm cutting this in half, what's going to happen?
It'll be 2 pieces.
It can't be 2 pieces because I told you there's only one side.
Is it by itself or are there 2 pieces?
It is one piece because it's infinity. You want to play a little scene from Endgame? He talks about a Mobius strip.
One last sim before we pack it in for the night. This time in the shape of a Mobius strip, inverted, please.
And there you go. And when he does it, he gets time travel.
Model rendered.
And there's your Mobius strip. What do you think?